dear students. Today I welcome you again to my channel Tech Maths Arena. Today we are going to discuss the elimination method to solve the linear equation of two variables from your textbook, chapter number 3. And you know that elimination method is a convenient method. This is more convenient than that of the other method of solution. And to discuss this method, I am taking the exercise 3.4 from your textbook. Here I have written the first question. Question number 1 and sub question number 1 also. And this is x plus y is equal to 5 and twice x minus 3y is equal to 4. Okay. So these two equations we have to solve. And we have seen that this is 1x but this is twice x. The coefficient of x is different. And similarly this is 1y but this is minus 3y. Coefficient of y also different. And to do the elimination method, we have to eliminate any one of the two variables. Then we will get a linear equation of one variable. And from that equation, we will find the value of the variable. And then putting the value of that variable in any one of the given equation, we can find the other value of the variable. And this is the concept of elimination method. Here we have seen that this is 1x and this is twice x. So for elimination we have to make the coefficients same. So LCM of 1 and 2 is 2, we know, and we will make these two coefficients same, that is 2. So first question we will multiply by 2. Why? Because 2x multiplying 2 we will get here 2x, and multiplying by 1 second equation we will get twice x. Twice x when it will be same, then we will eliminate x by subtracting. Okay. So now by multiplying by 2, this is twice x plus twice y is equal to 2 5 are 10. Now second equation is multiplying by 1. This is 1 into 2 twice x minus twice y is equal to 4. This is third equation and this is fourth. Now to eliminate twice x and twice x, we have to subtract the equations. And now, so 3 minus 4, then this is twice x plus twice y, left hand side, minus left hand side, twice x minus 3y is equal to right hand side, minus right hand side. Okay. Now, you know twice x plus twice y, minus into plus minus twice x, minus into minus plus twice y is equal to 10 minus 4, this is 6. Twice x gone, means x is eliminated. So we get twice x and twice y together 5y, this is 6. Hence y is equal to, we have got as 6 by 5. So now putting y is equal to 6 by 5 in 1. This is x plus y, we have got 6 by 5 is equal to 5. Then x is equal to 5 minus 6 by 5. After taking LCM, 5 5 are 25 minus 5 1 is 5, 1 into 6 is 6. Is it? So then x is equal to how much? 25 minus 6, this is 6, is 19 by 5. Hence x is equal to 19 by 5 and y is equal to, we have got 6 by 5. This is answer. And this is the elimination method. Here we have eliminated x to find y. Then putting y in any one of the two equations, we can find the other variable x also. After this, we are taking another equation, that is question number 1 and sub question number 5. Here the first equation is 3y by 2 minus 5x by 3 is equal to minus 2, and the second one is, this is y by 3 is equal to, or plus x by 3 is equal to 13 by 6. So to make the coefficient same, at first we can change the two equations simple by multiplying the LCM of denominators. Here the denominators are 2, 3 and 1. LCM is 6. So we are multiplying each term by 6. Each term by 6. Then we have got the equation 9y minus 12x is equal to minus 12. Similarly, the LCM of 3, 3, 6, denominators LCM is 6. So first term multiplying by 6, second term multiplying by 6, and right hand side also multiplying 6. Then we have got this equation. And now from these two equations, this is 9y but this is 2y, this is minus 10x but this is twice x. So coefficients of y, similarly coefficients of x different. So to make them equal, we are taking the LCM of 9 and 2. 9 and 2. This is first equation, this is second. 9 and 2 LCM is 18. So we will make this one 18, this one also 18. So to make this one 18, we are multiplying this equation by 2. This is first equation into 2. Similarly, to make 18, the second equation is multiplying by 9. 9 to the 18 this is. So in this way, first equation multiplying by 2, we have got this equation. Second equation multiplying by 9, we have got this equation. And then subtraction. Subtraction why? Because 18y, 18y. To eliminate, we have to subtract this equation. So we have subtracted. Left hand side minus left hand side, this one, and right hand side minus right hand side. We have got x is equal to 141 divided by 38 in this way. Now putting x is equal to 141 by 38 in 1, this one, 9y, you have seen 9y minus 10x, 10 into x value is equal to minus 12. And now common factor was 2, so cutting by 2, we get, after simplifying, y is equal to 53 by 19. So x is equal to 141 by 38, y is equal to 53 by 19. Here we have eliminated y. So we get x value of x. Now putting x value, we have got y. So in this way, we can carry out the elimination method. Now we are taking another problem, that is question number 1, sub question number 7. This is 8 by x minus 9 by y is equal to 1, 10 by x plus 6 by y is equal to 7. We have to find the value of x and y by elimination method. And here 8 and this is 10. LCM of 8 and 10 is 40, we know. So this equation is multiplied by 5 to get 40, and this equation is multiplied by 4 to get 40. So first equation into 5, so 5 is the 40, 5 9 is 45, 5 1 is 5. Second equation is multiplied by 4 so that we to get here 40. So 4 10s are 40, 4 6 are 24, 4 7s are 28. So 40 by x, they have found same. So we can eliminate them by subtracting. So here it is done, 3 minus 4. So here left hand side, this one, minus left hand side of the second equation, right hand side minus right hand side. In this way, 40 by x minus 45 by y minus 40 by x minus into plus minus 24 by y. 40 by x, they are eliminated. And so we have got y as y is equal to 69 by 23, that is 3. Now putting the value y is equal to 3 in equation 1, in this here 9 by 3 it will be done. So 8 by x minus 9 by 3, this is equal to 1. After cancelling, we get minus 3. Then transposition, we get x is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3. Here x is eliminated, and to get y, then putting y, we are able to find x as 2. Okay, and then we are taking a statement problem, that is first one, question number 2, sub question number 1, for the same exercise. If we add 1 to numerator and subtract 1 from denominator, a fraction reduces to 1 and it becomes half if we only add 1 to the denominator. So for this problem, we are taking let the fraction be x by y. This is numerator and this is denominator. And according to question, 1 is to be added to numerator and 1 subtracted from denominator. Then the fraction, it is said, reduces to 1, that is 1. So after transposition y minus 1, this is divided by, so here multiplied by 1 into y minus 1 is y minus 1. So x plus y2 plus y after transposition minus y, then plus y minus 1, minus 1 minus 1 minus 2, x minus y is equal to minus 2. So x by y plus 1. How it is? Because in the question it was said that when 1 is added to the denominator only, the fraction becomes half. So this is the fraction x by y, and 1 is added to denominator, then it is half. So after cross multiplication, x into 2x twice x, y plus 1 into 1 is y plus 1. So twice x minus y is equal to 1. Second equation. This is first equation, this is second equation. And from these two second equation we have seen this is minus y while this is also minus y. So it will become easy if we subtract second equation from first, or you can say first equation from second also, because here minus y, subtracting we can eliminate y. So done here, x minus y left hand side minus twice x minus y left hand side, right hand side minus 2, 1, minus 2 minus 1, then minus into minus here plus, minus plus y and minus y, they eliminated. Okay, plus y minus y they eliminated, and then these are eliminated, and then x minus twice x is minus x is equal to minus 6, so x is equal to 3. And then from 1, this is x minus y is equal to minus 2. So x value we have got as 3 minus y is equal to minus 2, and from this y is equal to 5 we have got. And x is equal to, it was 3 and y equal to 5. X is equal to 3, the fraction is x by y, it was, x value is 3, y value is 5, so the fraction is 3 by 5. Okay? Okay, dear students, now we are taking another equation, that is of question number 2, sub question number 2, and the question is, 5 years ago Noor was twice as old as Sonu, and 10 years later Noor will be twice as old as Sonu. We have to find the present ages of Noor and Sonu. So let us take the present age of Noor x years and present age of Sonu y years. Then 5 years ago, according to question they are said that 5 years ago Noor was present age x, so 5 years ago he was x minus 5. Similarly Sonu was y minus 5. So this x minus 5, y minus 5, and according to question it is said that the age of Noor was 3 times. This was 3 times. So we have to multiply this is by 3 times to make them equal. Okay. So 3 into y is 3y. 3 5s are 15. So from this we get this equation, x minus 3y is equal to minus 10 from the first equation. And from the second situation, and it was given that after 10 years Noor will be twice as old as Sonu. So after 10 years means if the present age is x, after 10 years he will be x plus 10. Sonu is now y years old. So after 10 years he will be y plus 10 years. Okay. So x plus 10 y plus. And now it is said that Noor will be twice as old as Sonu. So we have to multiply this one by 2 to make them equal. 2 into y twice y, 2 10 are 20. We have got this second equation from the second condition. And now we have to solve these two equations, and it is easy. It becomes easy to eliminate x, because this is 1x, this is also 1x. So if we subtract second equation from 1, then x will be eliminated and we will get then y. And now putting the value of y, we can get x. Is it? So we have done here. Okay. And here we have got, so x value 50 means present age of Noor is 50 years. And y is 20. Present age of Sonu is 20 years. Okay. So these are some problems we have done today by elimination method. And I think you will try to understand these problems. And there are some problems in this exercise. I think you will try yourself to solve these problems. Okay. I think you will subscribe my channel. Okay. Thank you to all.